Is your Epson printer producing streaky prints, missing lines, faded colors, or poor quality output? Well, this is a common problem and is often easy to resolve. In most cases, clogged nozzles or a dirty printhead are the cause. In this video, I'll walk you through two simple methods to fix the issue. First, we'll run the nozzle check to identify the problem, and we'll perform a printhead cleaning if necessary. If you need additional assistance, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for personalized support. Otherwise, let's begin.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Print a nozzle check page. First, go to your printer's control panel on the front of the machine and tap on Maintenance. Now, from the Maintenance menu, choose Printhead Nozzle Check and press OK. The printer will ask you to load some paper. Just slide a sheet of A4 or letter-size paper into the paper tray and hit OK to proceed. Once the test page prints, take a quick look at the lines on it. Here, you're just checking if they look nice and clean with no gaps or missing colors. If all the lines are solid and complete, your printer is fine. If you see broken or patchy lines, that means your printer needs cleaning. If you do notice any broken or patchy lines in the test page, no worries. Just tap the X icon on the screen and press OK. This tells your printer you need to fix the problem. You'll see one last confirmation screen appear. Go ahead and press OK, and your printer will automatically start a cleaning cycle to fix those clogged nozzles. Alright, so if the nozzle check showed that you need some cleaning, the printer might have already started the process. But if you want to make sure your printhead gets a deep clean, let me show you how to manually perform a more thorough printhead cleaning. This usually does the trick. Method 2. Perform the printer's head cleaning. Head over to your printer's control panel. Keep pressing the right arrow button on the keypad until you land on Maintenance and then press OK. Now, use the down arrow button to scroll through the menu until you find Print Head Cleaning and then hit OK to select it. When a screen like this pops up asking you to confirm, you just have to press OK to start the cleaning process. Your printer will now begin its cleaning cycle. Alright, now the cleaning cycle will kick in. You're going to see a little timer appear on the screen, showing you how long the cleaning will take. Once the cleaning cycle is done, the printer will ask you if you want to run a nozzle check. Choose Check so it prints a test page. After that, take a quick look at it to make sure everything's printing nicely.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.